I do believe that everyone is born with something inside them that is worth pursuing.
I entered UP Visayas to pursue academic excellence, none other than academic excellence. It was my motivation for enrolling here because doing so is the only way to good grades and land a job.
And I understand that life makes that very difficult.
We entered college during the height of the pandemic and a worsening political and social climate, plagued with human rights violations, territorial disputes, and genocides.
Life has a way of messing up your plans, no matter how much you've prepared for them.
I came to realize that many people in our country are using their academic excellence for their own selfish gains, abusing their privilege to be educated just to ignore the woes of the disadvantaged, and even worse, undermining the deprived by projecting their superiority onto them.
Those in power may have all the resources and connections to create and perpetuate a system that benefits only them.
Hindi natin maikukubli ang masakit na katotohanan. Nagiging manhid na ang marami sa ating mga kababayan. Dahil paulit-ulit silang binigo ng sistema.
All of these are only made possible because of systemic flaws that remain unaddressed.
So it's no wonder really why there is a general sense of hopelessness among our generation. We see the world we are meant to inherit, and we have no idea if it is worth inheriting.
Ang mas mahalagang usapin ay kung paano natin gagamitin ang ating pinag-aralan. Ipakita natin ang ating pagiging produkto ng Universidad ng Pilipinas.
Para sa bayan, hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang beses ko nang narinig at sinabi ang mga salitang ito sa buong pamamalagi ko sa Universidad ng Pilipinas.
As scholars ng bayan, I feel the weight of the expectations placed on you.
We are urged to give our best in everything we do, regardless of the outcomes, because everything we do, no matter how small, is part of the issue.
UP must be a university of the people and a university for the people.
You, the youth, will be the catalysts for change that is to come.
Siyempre, nandyan ang pressure. Nandyan na yan, hindi na yan mawawala.
Pressure builds up. And parang wala na tayong karapatang magkamali.
I couldn't accomplish any work because nothing I did was ever good enough. And I was terrified of the expectations that people had for me. Expectations that I had for myself.
The youth are the future, they say, and then they also say that we're too young to know what we're talking about. So what now?
Sa harap ng mga hamon na ito, maaaring lumamlam ang alab ng paninindigan sa puso ninyo. May mga tao, lugar at oras na halos kukumbinsi sa inyo na talikuran ang iba.
Those who were in dissent years ago, some have realized that the struggle is made so uncomfortable and fatal that many of them have succumbed to passivity. They have abided and accepted the status quo through inertia and silence.
People are often forced to choose between passion and practicality.
Marahil maiisip nyo minsan, nakakapagod naman manindigan. Baka mas mabuti, manahimik na lang ako.
What do you do when trying seems futile? You try anyway.
Now is an opportune time to look into our own communities.
Ang totoong silid-aralan ay nasa mga mausok na lansangan, sa pagkahaba-habang pila sa labas ng ating mga ospital, sa ating mga kapwa Pilipinong nasa kabundukan at karagatan, at maging sa pinakamalalayong liblib na lugar sa ating bansa.
Especially those in the most far-flung areas like Sulu, Basilan, Tawi-Tawi, Eastern Samar, to name a few.
We are now called to the grassroots of society to observe and experience the daily struggles of the people. And this will be no easy feat.
Kamamuhan, kagunahan da isabmat, nato tumaon.
The next few years of post-college life will be ones of uncertainty, anxiety, and hopelessness. Things will happen beyond our control. There will be rejections, setbacks, and loss.
Ang lumaban kahit talo na. Ang bumangon kahit nakadapa na.
That is what we ought to do. And that is the essence of hope.
Binibigkis kayo ng pinagsikapan niyong sablay sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino na piniling tumaya sa inyong kinabukasan.
Every time you look at your degree, I hope you remember 100 million Filipinos who are the reason that we get to wear this sablay on our shoulders and the reason this university exists.
You embody our highest aspirations.
Let us give ourselves the space to reflect on what we can do as UP students whose guiding principle is not merely to be the standard of honor and excellence, but to also be in service of others.
Ibalik natin sa mamamayan, sa kanya-kanya nating paraan, ang edukasyon na ating pinakinabangan.
Tayong mga produkto ng Universidad ng Pilipinas ay tinatawag na tumindig sa unahan, makipagkapit-bisig at maging boses ng ating mga kababayan.
Hindi natin kailangan na maging mga boses nila sapagkat meron silang sariling boses. Ang maaari nating gawin ay tulungan silang marinig ang kanilang mga hinaing.
If hope lies within the people and is incited by the people, we should recognize their experiences, their loss, and their longing for a better life, just as we recognize it among our friends and families.
You don't have to face everything alone.
One cannot serve alone.
Pero hindi tayo mga tagapagligtas at Diyos ng balyang ito.
Walang anumang puwersang mas hihigit pa sa puwersa ng isang komunidad na nagkakaisa, na sama-samang kumikilos tungo sa isang layunin.
You believe in different causes, and you can solve different problems. The fact that we are different lets us cover each other's strengths and weaknesses.
It is the collective action of regular individuals like you and me to achieve monumental change.
Even if we are faced with an unknown challenge, we have shown that we can surpass them.
Walang hadlang ang hindi maaaring lagpasan. Ang imposible ay magiging posible.
Things will not magically set themselves right just because you have a diploma in our hands. But I urge you, I beg you, to keep trying anyway. Because surrendering is a luxury we simply cannot afford.
Walang magpapalaya sa atin kung hindi tayo mismo.
Whatever career you choose, I hope with all my heart that you make this nation a better place with what you've learned here.
Talino at lakas ay ialay sa kapwa at sa bayan.
Nalagit-lagi, pipiliin at mamahalin ninyo ang sambayanan.
Sa abot ng ating makakaya,
kaya naton tanan.
To serve the people without any conditions.
To serve the people. Let this be our pledge, be our binding contract to our country and our fellow countrymen. Once again, congratulations to every one of us.
I'm bursting with pride for each and every one of you.
Mabuhay ang iskolar ng bayan.
Mabuhay ang mga iskolar ng bayan.
Iskolar ng bayan!